He's so happy. Listen to him. He's telling me. I hear you, buddy. I'm sitting outside with him. He loves those gray striped sunflower seeds. I'll try to show you some of them. Just let me know how happy he is. I got a nice 5-pound bag cheap. It'll last a long time. He'll visit us a long time now. I figured it out. I forgot that's what he likes. They're called gray striped sunflower seeds. And if you want woodpeckers in your yard, like that guy there, see him? Chirping away, letting you know how happy he is. I can't see him. I hear you. I won't see you. I'm sure that's the one that was born here this spring. He and I have been, he's been chatting with me like that.